Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. How can I promote my plumbing business? If this is your question, then we'll be giving you the answers. We will be talking about how you can promote your plumbing business online, how you can generate more leads online, which is the best marketing strategy for promoting your plumbing business online. And we will be talking in depth as to which is the best way or the best strategy which can help you to generate more leads online for your plumbing business. So the first strategy which we will be discussing is SEO, local SEO or search engine optimization. For a small business, SEO can work wonders. It is a cost-effective process which can help you to build your brand as well as rank your website at the top of local search listings. Local SEO would also include Google Business Profile setup and promoting it the right way so that people looking for keywords like plumber near me can find you in the local listings as well as local map listings. And of course, as I already mentioned, SEO is a great brand building tool. It does take time to establish itself, so you have to be consistent in your efforts. Nothing happens overnight in terms of SEO. You need to invest into content wherein you need to provide the relevant information to the users, and that's how Google acknowledges your efforts and then grants you top ranks. The second most effective way to promote your plumbing business online is PPC, which means pay per click. It is a platform offered by Google wherein we can run paid advertisements for your business. In this particular case, you need to pay directly to Google if anybody clicks on your ad. Apart from this, you also need to pay to the service provider to set up your ad campaigns, monitor them, and then try to get their quality score at the top. PPC does offer you instant results, but then it does cost you money. It does not help in brand building in an organic way. So if you have the marketing budget for thousands of dollars per month, you should invest into PPC. It's a great way to get genuine leads to your website as well as your business. The third most effective way to promote your plumbing business online is social media marketing and social media promotions being combined together. In case of organic social media promotions, you need to create images, posts, videos, and then share them on channels like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest to generate more awareness about your brand, to connect with people and hopefully get them to land up on your website. In this particular case, we need to use proper hashtags as well as video tags to reach out to the prospect customers. We also need to invest into generating good quality content, whether it is in form of text or videos, and then promote and share it regularly on our social media channels. Now let's talk about paid social media marketing, wherein we can run paid advertisements on channels like Facebook and Instagram. The idea is simple. We just need to run ads which are interest-based ads through these channels, targeting specific key phrases around plumbing industry. Another marketing strategy which is quite effective is related to content generation and marketing. We need to invest heavily into content generation and need to share most relevant information which helps the user related to plumbing services. If you're trying to get into content marketing and are thinking of overnight results and are also considering just to invest for a month or two and then leave things around, this won't help you at all. You need to be consistent, you need to be diligent in your efforts, and that's how Google would recognize those efforts. It is advisable that you need at least 6 months of investment into content marketing, creating blogs, articles, and then sharing them on proper channels to gain users' interest as well as traffic to your website. Another important marketing strategy can be video marketing, and again, it is not cost effective, it is expensive. You need to invest quite a bit of time into it, and you need to be consistent in your efforts. In case you have any questions around which strategy will work best for your business and which strategy will help you to generate more leads in a short span of time, or what strategy you should be following to promote your plumbing business online, feel free to get in touch with us through our website, and we surely will be able to help you. Thank you. Humble request to please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.